Hello, I'm Steve Trowbridge, a teacher librarian at CK High School. And this year we're excited to be essentially open with fairly normal operations. We're open from 7 to 3:30 daily. And Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday now we have extended hours. The library's open for individuals to study and relax until 5 p.m. Just on those 3 days. And there's things like tutoring going on in here. As you can see behind me, we've got a nice collection of books. It's nice to see kids checking out and reading here in the library. And we also do a lot of support for the Chromebooks. So if you have any tech issues, then have your student come to see us here in the library. So thank you very much. Bye-bye.